Hi everyone, my name is Hadil, and today, I'm going to take you through the final MIT front-end architecture, authentication, Stripe implementation, and app diagram of our restaurant management full-stack project. As we begin, here's the overall app diagram. It comprises the front end, middle tier, and back end, each playing a crucial role in delivering a smooth user experience. Let's start with the front-end architecture. We've employed a component-based architecture using React.js. It allows for reusability and isolation of concerns, meaning each component can operate independently. Our UI design is crafted for simplicity and ease of use. Decisions on color schemes, typography, and layout were all influenced by these principles. The use of Next.js helped streamline our design decisions. Its file-based routing and automatic code splitting helped us improve the application's performance while maintaining a neat project structure. Let's discuss the various categories that our application interacts with in the backend, using data from MongoDB. Specifically, we'll be looking at sign in and sign out, listing all restaurants, listing dishes from a specific restaurant, adding to cart, and putting in order. Firstly, we have the sign in and sign out component. This involves the user's interaction with the application, providing their login credentials which are then authenticated against the stored data in our MongoDB database. If valid, the user gains access to the application. Similarly, the sign out operation clears the user session data. There are two types of sign-in components, one for user who will use the app and order dishes, and the second for the restaurant admin to control the name of the restaurant and the dishes that provides. Next, we have the list all restaurants component. It retrieves data from our MongoDB database, displaying all the restaurants available on the application. It's a seamless interaction that allows users to explore a wide array of dining choices. Moving forward, listing dishes from a specific restaurant is another essential component. It operates by fetching specific data associated with a selected restaurant from our MongoDB. Consequently, users can view all available dishes from a particular eatery. The Add to Cart functionality enables users to select their desired dishes, and it adds these dishes to a temporary storage or cart. This data, although temporarily stored on the front end, interacts with our backend when changes occur, like adding or removing items. Finally, we have the Put in Order component. Here, all the data from the cart is bundled together and sent to our MongoDB backend. The order is processed, and the data is saved. Confirmation is then sent back to the user. This component ensures the complete transactional interaction between our frontend and backend. In conclusion, these front-end components are critical in our application. They enable smooth interaction between the user and the backend, all while retrieving and saving data to our MongoDB database. This demonstrates the synergy between frontend and backend, creating a seamless user experience. There are three critical challenges influencing my decision-making: are user authentication, integrating the payment method Stripe, and storing images in the Amazon S3 bucket, all integral for a robust, functional, and secure application. I will talk about them. One of the challenges that I took head-on was determining how to generate tokens for user authentication. After careful consideration, I decided to employ the JonWeb token library to generate both the token and the refresh token. Our primary token will be stored within a cookie, while the refresh token will find a home in our MongoDB database, ensuring a streamlined authentication process. Let's start with the creation of a new user, as depicted in Figure 1. We first need to define a schema for our user data in MongoDB, which will encompass fields like username, email, and password. As shown in Figure 2, we have a simple schema definition crafted using Mongoose. Mongoose is a widely used MongoDB object modeling tool that simplifies interactions with MongoDB. Once our schema is set, we'll explore the intricacies in the second part of this video series. However, for now, rest assured that the client can interact with the server API, enabling the creation and retrieval of user data. Integrating Stripe on the client side is a crucial process for ensuring seamless payment transactions. First, we include the Stripe.js library in our project. Then, we use Stripe Elements, which is a collection of pre-built UI components, to build our custom payment form. The form collects payment data, and Stripe.js generates a unique token. This token is sent to the server side for processing payments, keeping sensitive card data secure and offering an effective, user-friendly payment interface. Storing images in Amazon S3 is a key aspect of our application. We use the AWS SDK package to interact with Amazon S3 services. This package allows us to upload images from our application directly to our S3 bucket. The process involves creating an instance of the S3 client, then using the send method to save the image. This ensures secure, scalable, and efficient image storage, enhancing the performance of our application. In Part 2, I will talk about all components in middle tier like connecting to MongoDB and building APIs. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for listening.